This is a quick start guide for getting tests running locally on your machine. First thing you'll want to do is get the long-term support version of Node.js. We also recommend using Visual Studio Code, and our guide will use it going forward. And we also recommend using GitHub Desktop, but you could use the command line interface if you wish. Just go ahead and hit Code on the GitHub repo. And we'll select with Desktop. You can use the link above for the command line. The browser is going to ask what we want to do with that link, and we're going to select Open with Desktop, and then we're going to hit Clone once that loads. After all the files are downloaded, let's select Show in File Explorer. And if we hold Shift and right-click, we can use the context menu to copy as path for the E2E folder. Back in Visual Studio, we'll open a folder and paste in that value and hit Select Folder. This will open our E2E folder, so now we just need to open a new terminal window and type in npm install. This will install all of our dependencies, and we'll have a node modules folder once it's completed. Next, we'll hit New File, and we'll create one called .env, and we'll paste in the values from the GitHub repo. Next, we can type in npm test to run all tests. These example tests will open up a test login page and try using valid credentials and invalid credentials. And once that process is complete, we get a summary of our test run, and we can expand our console a little bit to see that better. So if we want to run just one set of tests, we could do a spec login so that it only runs feature files with the word login in the file name. That's it for now. See you at the next one.